Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How To Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this imou or imou Wi-Fi CCTV camera, that how you can easily reset if it's not performing well, it's not recording well, or it's not recording in the SSD, or it's not giving indication or indicator, or it's not showing on your mobile phone. Then how and what you can do? You have to reset this device, and before resetting, keep in mind that you have to set up this device again. Yes, you have to set up this device again if you reset. Now you can check out I button in the description below for that setup video. So how you can reset this? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now how you can reset this? This is the main imou camera. It is over here. You have to move this lens hood upside, and here you will find a reset button that is over here, reset. When you click on, it's giving sound, and keep in mind that your camera should be powered on that time. You have to press and hold this button for a long time, for few seconds, and it has over here a indicator. It will starts blinking, and after a few times blinking, it reset, and now no problem, it has been reset. Now you have to set up this device again, and hope you understood that how you can reset this camera. If you like this video about the this camera, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.